In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF file in WhatsApp on your laptop or computer. First, make sure you're using WhatsApp Web or the WhatsApp desktop app on your computer. If you haven't set that up yet, open a web browser and go to the official WhatsApp web page, or open the desktop app if it's already installed. On your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the menu or settings icon, choose the option for linked devices, and then scan the QR code that appears on your computer screen. Once the code is scanned, your WhatsApp chats will appear on your laptop or PC. Next, locate the chat where the PDF file was sent. This could be an individual chat or a group chat. Scroll through the messages until you see the PDF document. It will usually show up with a small PDF icon, the file name, and the file size. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct document you want to open, especially if there are multiple files in the conversation. Now, to open the PDF, simply click on the file name or the PDF thumbnail in the chat. WhatsApp will start downloading the file to your computer. You might see a quick loading animation while this happens. On most browsers and desktop apps, once the download is complete, the PDF will automatically open in a new tab or in your default PDF viewer. If it doesn't open automatically, look for the download bar or the download folder icon in your browser and click the file from there. If your computer asks which application to use to open the file, choose a PDF reader such as your browser or any PDF viewer you already have installed. You can also choose to always open this type of file with the same program, so it's easier next time. Once the PDF is open, you can zoom in and out, scroll through the pages, or print it if you need a hard copy. If you want to save the PDF for later, use the download or save option in your browser or PDF viewer, and choose a folder on your computer where you'll easily find it again, like your Documents folder. That's all you need to do to open a PDF file in WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. Just connect WhatsApp Web or Desktop. Find the PDF in your chat, click to download, and open it with your preferred PDF viewer.